the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, it is June 9th, 2024, and this is going like you're going towards Isawam, leaving Accra. We're never going to really leave Accra, but yeah, this is the road construction going on. They got a lot going on this side as well. As you can see, they're pouring cement. So this is what it's looking like on our way home. So they put the walls up here, the gutter, they have that. I guess that's the underpass. Right? We saw it coming the other way. That's the underpass. This is where we used to ride on to come here. And now we're up here. Yep. So this is what it's looking like. Yes, I haven't seen any water trucks today. Maybe because it's raining more consistently. But it almost looks like they need to get back out here. That will be the access road over there, I guess. Well, I don't know. We'll see when it's finished for sure. This is the gutter. You see they gotta fill this road up to gutter level. So you can tell we're at John Tay area. It is quite dusty because of, I guess it hasn't rained today, and I have not seen any water trucks out. So this is what we got. See how it's hard to see, right? Up there. There's some of those pavers once again over there. We were riding on that side before, close to that little hut thing. This is how it's looking over here. Got a lot of iron rods going on, and you see how they're doing the wall on that side. So this other side will be the same. Got the cement trucks. Paving something. Okay, so here is the road construction over on this side. They had some cement trucks. They're filling that in now. So I was trying to see, but I didn't quite catch if they were actually paving.
Took it a minute. M2. The way he went the other side, that's what.
Oh. Rossi interchange. Yep. See how nice it looks, guys. It's gonna look really nice when our area is completed. So you see up there, it looks kind of dusty too because of the construction. So we're enjoying the pavement right now. You take what you can get for now, guys, until the road is finished. So here we're going back to the construction site. They got a lot going on over there. See how they're doing the big gutter and everything. Yep. So we're back to the dirt road. But they are filling in over there. If you guys watched the previous video, see how big this gutter is? That's huge. So if you watched the previous video, you saw the equipment on that side. Now we're on our way back. Yeah, that gutter is huge, guys. There must be a lot of water that runs off over here. So they're doing a great job. They've covered most of it. They've left access. So they'll probably put like a grate or something over there, I'm guessing. So that's the work that's been going on down under there. We haven't seen it that much over there, but they've been doing it. Yep, they're filling in more over here. And this is what it's looking like. There's the water truck, guys. Now they have a U-turn sign up, so that's nice. So there is the water truck backing it up. And here we are. People trying to get in together. Don't know where this guy is going, but yeah. So you see where they've done some filling or whatever over here. I can't tell if they wet it or if it's a type of blacktop or something. It's hard to tell. I'm not familiar with all the materials they use here. You know, in road construction, we know in the US they use the blacktop and stuff like that. But I'm not sure if they use that here. I guess they do. I don't see why not. That's what it's looking like. There's the wall extended up. So now we won't see much, but we'll see. Yeah, we got some traffic, guys. You see the sellers out. There's the gutter. You see how it looks like? Well, no. Here they use the forms, I guess. Yep, they use the forms there and then poured the cement inside. So that's what we got going on. So we're in the traffic. Probably everybody just coming together and bumping on the road a bit. You gotta slow it down, right? Yep. I pray you guys are enjoying your day so far. Thank you for coming along with us. Nana is here. My husband always driving us safely to and from. We thank God. Got your street sellers here. This is some kind of meat pie type thing with a boiled egg in there, in the middle of it. Yep. So everybody trying to come together.
He's not going nowhere.
Sometimes you just gotta go for it, guys. This is what the gutter's looking like. In case you guys know where this is, we have not gotten to our regular landmark yet. They've gotten the wall up pretty high though on the other side there. This is, I don't know if this is something, I don't think this has to do with it. I think it's a building someone was doing. Yeah. I guess it's easier for the church members here to get their transportation coming right up in front of them now. So you see the gutter, they have covered it here. So you see it? It's covered. I'm not sure what that part is for, but they've covered it. I guess that will be the entrance to here, probably. That's how things go here in Ghana. They just beep their way through. Since there's not much construction to look at right now, I'll show you guys a little bit on the side. Yep. That's the problem. We have a broken down truck. So everybody has to go to one lane. That's where lies the problem. Oh, he's not gonna let you. Huh. And that's another thing that makes it difficult, is people don't want to let other people go. So here we are, guys. There's the overhead walkway. This is what the road is looking like. Quite bumpy. One day it will be smooth. Yeah, there's the walkway. Seems like it's not totally finished, but they're still able to use it, so that's a blessing. So there it is. here. So they're getting there. Somebody had a little accident with the gutter. So they'll have to come back in and repair all those things too. Like you see, people just hit the gutter. It's not meant to hold up a car. So they'll have to come back in. I'm sure they'll repair those places. So this will have access over here to this area. And this whole place was knocked in. So I'm not sure if this will be the access road. I guess this will be. Okay, we're riding on the access road right now. Wow, that tire was really split apart. We're riding on what will be the access road right now. So up there will be the main road, and then the access road will allow you to access everything on the side. The main road will allow you to go straight through. And you see how all the churros are. And I mean, people need the transportation, right? People need it. And they too need to do their job. So, I mean, it gets bogged down a lot because of all the taxis and churros, but they're necessary. This is the capital city, and just like other capital cities that we have in different states, you know, that have public transportation. So it's quite necessary. Not everybody that lives here, it wouldn't be feasible for everybody to have a car, right? Whether they could afford it or not. Imagine all the cars. So it's the same as any other city. And a lot of people just use the public transportation. So they are necessary. It helps people get around, but it also slows things down if you're just trying to go a straight shot through. There's the market over there. Here are the pillars. What it's looking like over there. Got a lot going on here. Look at how high up they're doing that. They have a culvert underneath that mound over there. So they're really doing a lot. lot of changes? Can you guys tell the difference? Can you tell that they've been working hard? Or what do you see? Have you watched the previous videos and checked it out? I think they've done a lot of work. They really have. And yeah, they can do a lot of work here. They're getting somewhere with the overhead walkway. Some pretty deep potholes there. Then we have a broken down truck. So that's a lot of weight. All that is liquid in there. I can't tell if it's water or what, but it's all liquid. So yeah, sometimes you go over these bumps and stuff and it's easy to have a problem. There's the China Mall for a landmark for you guys. So we see a lot of progress. And I'm really thankful. With this ladder and climb over. There's the some serious holes, and it's hard to see the deep potholes. There's the Home Depot knockoff. It's hard to see. Can you guys see? It'd be hard, right? It's hard to see the potholes. But they are moving along quite nicely. Got a lot of filling over there going on. There is the red, black, and yellow house. I have no idea what that is, guys, but we just use it for a landmark because the way they painted it really sticks out. Very nice. Kind of like we have a Ghana flag in front of our house, and they always say, oh, go to the Ghana flag. So it's helpful. And look at this area. They've done a lot here too.
This is the area that I was saying. They have finished the other part of it. I'm talking about the bridge.
Oh, okay.
You know, the one that
Uh-huh.
we show them from the beginning.
Yeah, so if you go back to the
So
previous
this side
video.
has been done all way.
Wow. So there's a picture of what it will look like when it's done. So you guys can stop the video and check it out.
So this bridge has been finished.
Wow.
The remaining top.
Wow. They've done a lot. This one is dug way down.
This is the bridge at Pobiman.
Ah, Pubiman.
Yeah, that's Pobiman Junction.
Pubiman Junction.
Yeah, this is the bridge.
Okay.
So I think it's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be roundabout here or not. But when we get to the picture, we will see
I think I saw a roundabout picture.
Right. Because the way the bridge is big and huge.
Yeah.
See how huge it is.
Yeah, and you guys can stop the video and check that picture out. Just stop it and check it out. It looks like some type of roundabout. So it will be a roundabout under this
So that is
bridge. This is Pobiman
Junction going to
Junction.
Yeah.
Okay. Pobiman Junction.
That's a huge bridge though.
Yes, very big. And to see, I mean, we haven't been here 2 years. And to see how much they've done, they haven't been working on it the whole time either. So, yeah, they've done a lot.
Yeah.
Done a lot. They've done a great job.
So this one they need now they are filling it. Since it's a bridge, this side needs to be filled. So you see,
Uh-huh.
that's why they are filling this place and then they are making the wall.
Okay, so this place will all be full up to the wall or higher, however high they make the wall. So they'll fill this whole place and we'll be riding way up there. Oh, and here's another truck with all that liquid on it. Maybe it is water. It might be water. They might be using it. See how the water is sitting from all the rain. So here's a lot of their filling materials they've brought. We have to have a place to ride, so they gotta be strategic in their filling. Yeah. That is what we got going on, guys. They're fixing this over here, the gutter, the walls, that side where we came, and we're going back. I think the Pobiman Total Energies is usually where we end the video, and I think we'll end it there. I hope you guys enjoyed riding with us, and I hope you have a very blessed day. Until next time, God bless you.